Here's the answer to the first problem. So for the second problem, the first step that I would do, that's just me, is I would take this 2 back to 4's exponents. Okay, so go from there. The fact that this comes after a minus sign means it's going to be divided. The two things that are being multiplied here are log base 6 of x and log base 6 of 3. So I'm going to go ahead and combine those green ones together to be log base 6 of 3x.
Why would you do that?
And then minus log base 6 of, what's 4 squared? 16. So the last step here, I'm going to condense these into log base 6 of the first thing over the second thing. So 3x over 16. Does 3 over 16 reduce at all?
No.
No, so that's your answer. So your answer is log base 6 of 3x over 16. That is your answer. So first thing, I always take the exponent up, so that's 2 cubed. Okay, now I'm going to condense these together by, now what is 2 to the third?
8.
That's really just an 8. So I'm going to do 8 times x squared.
8x.
So it's log base 6 of 8x squared minus log base 6 of 4.
You can condense it even more.
And you're not done until you only have one log left. So now I'll take these, write it as a single log, and then the first goes over the second. So 8x squared over 4. And then I can reduce 8 over 4. So what is 8 over 4?
2.
So your final answer would be log of 2x.
Why did it
Base
still?
6.
It'd be log 6.
Log base 6. Sorry, I lost my 6's. Log base 6 of 2x squared.
Lost my senses.
Wait, so if we know what, for example, for this one it says 4 over 2 over 4 over 2, 2 over 4, we can take. Okay, yeah. Wait, you can't just subtract them and get log 8?
Log of 2 is your answer. It is called expanding. We're going the other way now. Okay? So what I do, I typically circle everything that is multiplied or divided. Okay? So I have 7 times x squared divided by y. So how many different logs am I going to have? 3. Now we basically just need to separate them apart to pluses and minuses and then bring exponents back out front, and then we'll be done expanding. So I'm going to start with the 7 and the x squared. So I can write those separately. So I'll call this log base 3 of 7. Now if 7 was multiplied by x squared, what sign was between the logs? A plus sign. So log of 3 x squared. And some of you guys will get pretty good at this. Where is this squared going to go? Into the front, back to where it came from. So this is really log base 3 of 7 plus 2 log base 3 of x. And then if there was a y on the bottom, what sign was in front of that log? A minus sign. So I'll do minus log base 3 of y. And we're done. That's it.
I like it.
I think expanding is easier than condensing. Try to do 2 on your own.
Mr. Starks has favorites.
It's not you, but other classes.
What am I doing?
Log
Log of 6 plus 3 log of x plus 2 log of y.
This is going to be a really weird lesson that we listen to.
That is your answer. They're all multiplied, so they're all added. Exponents go to the front. That's it. That is the final answer.